Okay, there is more breaking news that is coming in at this point of time. Uddhav Thackeray is holding a very crucial meeting at his residence. Uddhav Thackeray is to take a call on the next course of action, and he is meeting members of his party, of the alliance. We are told also of officials is the information that is filtering in from Maharashtra. And this crucial meeting is perhaps, and we'll get more details in a moment, is this to assess the damage by Parambir Singh's letter. We are told that the Chief Secretary of Maharashtra is also a part of this meeting. So this letter of Parambir Singh becomes extremely crucial at this point of time, because one of the senior most police officers, the Commandant General of the Home Guard, has shot off this letter. But as NCP points out, that this is an unsigned letter. And I want to bring in Mustafa on this part. NCP is still attempting to battle these allegations, saying that these allegations are being leveled by a police officer who himself is in the line of fire, not just in the Antila case, but also in the Mansukh Hiren murder case. So their NCP is saying, let there be an investigation before action is taken against anyone. Mustafa.
Well, the fact remains, Gaurav, that even if the letter is not signed and it's not on the letterhead of Parambir Singh has not come out and denied any of the contents of the letter. That's a very important point, because even if it's not signed, it was emailed to the Chief Minister. The point remains, it's the former Mumbai Police Commissioner who are making these allegations against the Home Minister, and he is giving prima facie enough evidences to act against the Home Minister, which is Anil Deshmukh. So hence, the letter cannot be taken lightly at any cost. It points at serious lapses. The lapses can be investigated, but yes, Anil Deshmukh should leave Home Ministry and as far as possible the cabinet, so that these allegations can be investigated independently without any pressure. And also, the important point remains is that whether it was only Mumbai police from which this corruption money was demanded, or it was some other officers from the Maharashtra police and other cities where this money was demanded. These are all important points which will have to come out in an independent investigation. Back to you.
Big point you raised there, a point that is constantly now being raised by the opposition to target Anil Deshmukh, saying was this 100 crore only from Mumbai? Was money also being sought from other cities and other police officers across Maharashtra? Major allegations being leveled at this point of time against Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Much more on this big story and the meeting that's currently underway at Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's residence in Mumbai, being attended amongst others by the Chief Secretary of Maharashtra. That story and lots more coming up. Stay with us.